Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I thought for today's video we could do a very casual, easy, outside summer makeup look using cream products that are just very quick. So I'm going to just show you an easy breezy, get ready with me. Alright, you're all zoomed into the face and here we go. So the first product I'm going to go in with is the Supergoop Zinc Sunscreen. This is a 100% mineral lotion and I really like it because it has a little bit of radiance, a little bit of sheen within it. So it's protecting my skin, but at the same time it is adding a little hair of coverage and I really like this. It has SPF 40. It's really easy to blend out, and like I said, it has this really radiant finish to it. I really love it. As you can see, it's already giving my skin a glow. Alright, next I'm going to go in with this Kiko Nourishing Perfection Cream Compact Foundation. I picked this up when I was in Europe, and I thought it was really interesting. I think that you can get this on Kiko US. But Kiko is an Italian brand and I really like how affordable their products are. So I'm just going to go in with my beauty blender and then I'm actually just going to pop it onto the skin and just kind of press it in. It does have pretty good coverage. I don't know why I don't do my makeup outside more often. It's so soothing and really nice if you can get some fresh air. Also, I'm wearing this like fuzzy little jacket that I usually wear inside the house just because there is a breeze out here. And having been in California for about 3 months at this point, I am now a baby and have zero tolerance to any kind of wind chill. So even though it's a warm day, you just can't do it. As you can see, that's just given me a really nice, smooth, even coverage. Next, I'm going to go in with concealer. This is the Armani Luminous Silk Concealer. If you guys want to see a full review on this guy, please let me know. I was super intrigued in trying it when I heard about the launch because, as you guys know, the Luminous Silk is one of my holy grail foundations, and so I thought, wow, if they've put this in a concealer, sign me up. I've only been trying this concealer out for the last week and a half, but I really like it because it's such a luminous, blendable texture. And I've actually played around with applying it all over the face and just kind of blending it out for a very quick, easy makeup look, and I really have been enjoying doing that. It's a bit more of a yellowish shade. I picked up a more olive-based shade rather than a neutral shade, so it's something that I can just kind of pop all over the face when I just want an easy, quick makeup look as well. Alright, next I'm going to show you a really quick trick to being able to get a monochromatic look all over the face. You guys know that I love to do this. This is the NARS Dolce Vita Liquid Blush, and I really like this one. A little goes a super long way, so I like to just pop almost a toothpick amount onto the finger, and then I like to dot it on the cheeks, on the lips, and on the eyes. I really like this trick because the NARS blush, their line of liquid blushes are kind of expensive, but a little goes a long way. I feel like it would last you a year and a half because you really only need a toothpick amount, and it's extremely pigmented, so you can really use it for a monochromatic look and it will really last all day on you. So if you are hot in the summer sun, this is the kind of cream or liquid product that would still last all day and it would look so natural and it wouldn't cake. I also like just taking a clean blending brush and just blending it into the eye socket, crease, and just a little bit higher towards the brow. And onto the other side. There's no rhyme or reason to this. I literally was so messy, as you saw. I just took 2 dots and stuck them in the eye crease, and now I'm blending them out further. This is something that you can do when you're in a rush, but you want to look like you put a little effort into your makeup. I also just love a pink eye. I feel like people don't really do it enough unless they're like doing a full glam. But a pink eye look can be soft as well. It just depends how you choose to do it. And now I'm just gonna take the remaining onto my lips. Same brush. This is almost just gonna give me a soft berry lip, as if I've just bitten into a popsicle. I'm not trying to be precise here. I'm not using a liner. I'm just gently rubbing it against the lips. Next, I'm going to pop this Giorgio Armani. These are little eye tints, and this is in the shade 8. It's kind of like a duochrome lavender color, and I think it's going to complement the pink so well. So again, this is just going to give it a little bit more dimension. And this is not a super pigmented product. If you want a dupe for this, you can use the Glossier Skywash colors. Those are really, really pretty, and you can build those up as well. And it just gives a little bit of softness. Again, it kind of tricks the eye into thinking that we've done more work than we've actually done. And you guys know I'm all about that life. Next, just gonna go in with some brow gel. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm just gonna pop it through the brows, just brushing it through. Next, I'm going to take the Ilia Polka Dots and Moonbeams highlighter. This is such a cute little highlight, you guys, and it's super duper easy. You can just pop it onto the cheekbones directly. Just tap, tap, tap. And last step, I'm just gonna pop some mascara onto the lashes. I really like this Fenty mascara because it doesn't ever get too crispy. But it does provide a good amount of volume. And because I'm extra and because it's me, I'm gonna pop on the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Radiance Drops. These might be discontinued. Don't quote me on that. I could be wrong. You can also use the Future Dew if you're not sensitive to it, or just any regular oil, actually, used very sparingly. And this just gives a little bit more of a wet look. I really like to press it into the tops of the cheekbones just to add to that juiciness. Now, if it is in the heat of summer and you are not particularly dry, I would not do this step, but this is just a little extra thing that you can do. And there you have it. This is my super duper quick makeup look for summer, and I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Let's do one last zoom in so that we can really see what's going on here. And there you have it, a super easy, dewy summer monochromatic makeup look outside in the backyard. And when you're done, you're not going anywhere probably, so you can make yourself a little aperol spritz, which is what I've done here, and cheers. Let me know, in all seriousness, let me know, you guys, if you do like these outside videos. This was really fun, and I've just been really enjoying playing with some different filming styles and different videos. So if you like this kind of thing and you think that it could be very enjoyable, as very relaxing, get ready with me, then I will do more of them. Please hit that like button and comment down below if you want to see more of these types of videos. And I wish you, as always, health and wealth. Bye, guys.